In this short video, we solved the 4 absolute value questions that we left as exercises from our lesson on solving absolute value equations and inequalities. We connect their algebraic and graphical solutions. Watch each problem, pause if you like, and check your own work as we go. Problem number 1. The inequality, the absolute value of x minus 4 is less than 1. Here, the absolute value of x minus 4 is the distance from the point 4 on the x-axis, and the inequality says that this distance is less than 1 unit. For a less than inequality, we rewrite it as 3-part inequality. Negative 1 is less than x minus 4, less than 1. Adding 4 to every part gives 3 less than x less than 5, so the algebraic solution is all x strictly between 3 and 5. Graphically, we draw the absolute value graph y equals the absolute value of x minus 4 with its vertex at x equals 4 and mark the vertical line x equals 4. We then draw the horizontal line y equals 1 and shade the part of the graph that lies below this line. Reading the x value of that shaded region matches the open interval from 3 to 5. Problem 2, the inequality, the absolute value of x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 5. Here, the absolute value of x plus 1 is the distance from negative 1 on the x-axis, and the inequality says that this distance is at least 5 units. For greater than or equal to, we split into two cases. X plus 1 is greater than or equal to 5, or x plus 1 is less than or equal to negative 5. Solving each case gives x is greater than or equal to 4, or x is less than or equal to negative 6. So the solution is two outer intervals, all x at least 4, or at most negative 6. On the graph, we draw y equals the absolute value of x plus 1 with its vertex at x equals 1 and mark the vertical line x equals negative 1. We add the horizontal line y equals 5 and shade the parts of the V shape that lie at height 5 or higher. Reading these values of this shaded region gives exactly x is less than or equal to negative 6 or x is greater than or equal to 4. Problem 3, the inequality, the absolute value of 2x plus 3 less than 5. This absolute value measures the distance of 2x plus 3 from 0, and again we have a less than condition. We rewrite as negative 5 less than 2x plus 3 less than 5, subtract 3 to get negative 8 less than 2x less than 2, and then divide everything by 2. That gives negative 4 less than x less than 1. So algebraically, the solution is all x strictly between negative 4 and 1. On the graph, we plot y equals the absolute value of 2x plus 3. Its vertex lies at x equals negative 3 over 2, and we highlight that with a vertical line. We then draw the horizontal line y equals 5 and shade the part of the graph below this line. The shaded region runs from x equals negative 4 to x equals 1, matching the algebraic open interval from negative 4 to 1. Problem 4, the equation absolute value of x minus 2 equals the absolute value of x plus 4. This says the distance from x to 2 is equal to the distance from x to negative 4. An equation of absolute values splits into two cases. Either x minus 2 equals x plus 4, or x minus 2 equals negative bracket x plus 4 close bracket. The first case leads to a contradiction, but the second simplifies to 2x equals negative 2, so x equals negative 1. The solution is the single point x equals negative. Graphically, we draw both absolute value graphs, y equals the absolute value of x minus 2 with the vertex at x equals 2, and y equals the absolute value of x plus 4 with the vertex at x equals negative 4. We mark the vertical lines x equals 2 and x equals negative 4 and highlight the point where the two V shapes intersect. That intersection occurs at x equals negative 1, matching the algebraic. In recap, absolute value represents distance, inequalities turn into shaded regions on the graph, and equations with the absolute value gives points where distances match. Pause the video, try these problems again on your own, and then challenge yourself with new absolute value questions using the same idea.